Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the last part of this dollhouse series. So the first idea is to make a 3D letter or words. I'm gonna go with the first letter of my name. I'm using a thin sheet of foam board for this. You could actually look up some room decor ideas on Google or Pinterest and try to make the mini version of it. Next, I'm making a DVD player. Cut it according to the size you want and make a rectangular box and paint it black. Then decorate as you need. You can also attach a wire if you want to. Now I'm making a tiny remote for my air conditioner. I'm using the same foam board and cut it really tiny pieces. You can do the same for remote control also and paint them as you like. For the next one, I'm taking this part of an old earphone. Just gonna wrap this wire around. Next, cut a small frame and paint it. So I found this really tiny plant from my backyard. Apply a layer of glue and stick that, and again apply one more coat on top of that. So for this, I made a cut art. I've already made a video about this. If you want to watch it, go and watch. Here I did some geometric shape. Cut a frame according to the size and glue it on that. Then paint the frame. I texture by tapping the brush. For the books, you can make like this with a real page or cut some foam board according to the size of the book you want and a piece of paper of your choice. Glue it onto the middle. It is great if you want to make thick books. Now fold two sides and cut it clean and glue the part by tucking in. Next off, I'm rolling a jute thread to make a basket. So first, to make the starting will be a bit trouble, but it will be fine after a few rolls. Apply a layer of glue to hold it in place. Now start building from the sides up to the height you want. I'm gluing this thing that you use to keep it in the middle of the flower. And you're done. Another idea for flower vase is these caps of small bottles that is lying around your house. For this one, cut a circle from a wire and cut small equal pieces of embroidery threads. Now just loop the whole pieces like this. Now cut those threads in an angle for a boho wall decor. So I bought some air dry clay. This is actually sculpting pottery clay. It takes a bit practice to make tiny pieces with this. This is actually my first time working with clay, so I didn't want to spend so much money on high quality clay. I tried to make a wall planter and these tiny plants, which is really hard than I expected. I tried to add some acrylic paint to the clay before shaping, but something went wrong with the texture, so I decided to paint after dried. I also made a tiny minion. Good thing I had a bit of steady hand, so I didn't mess up much. I also bought this epoxy compound, which comes with a resin and a hardener. Actually, you have to work fast with this, it will dry really fast. I made so many random tiny pieces. To make a squiggle, cut equal sized balls and roll to a teardrop shape. And flatten the bottom. I'm actually not using the right tool for this, but it works. This is really hard and won't break, but the clay is like cement, it will break if you drop it. Paint it and add some details. These are the random shapes that I made. I painted it really cute. You can also use cute small stud earrings like this as a decoration. I'm actually gluing them onto the places because I'm a really clumsy person. If you haven't watched my last part of this series, go check out my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.